Okay everybody, in the lesson 46, you all are going to learn about like and don't like. Are you excited to learn this lesson everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic everybody. Now imagine that you all are going to spend your time on Sunday afternoon with your session. And where would you like to go? As you all know that you all are planning to visit as a group, then please think as a group where would you like to go. You all can think. After that you all can share your response with the class. Okay, we can listen to Karishma. Yes, Karishma?
Sir, if I will plan with my session,
Yes.
so I would love to go to watch the movie.
You would like to go for watching movie. Okay. This time we can listen to Neelu. Yes, Neelu, where would you like to go?
Sir, I would like to go for camping
Okay.
or
You-
picnic.
Yes. You would like to go for camping. Now you are going to think about your fellow classmates, that which activity they might prefer. Everybody have preferred based on their personality and past experiences. Now let's listen to them that why did you choose for going?
Sir, I like to go on camping
Yes.
because I can walk for a long time,
Okay.
so I don't get tired, and I
Okay.
enjoy being in nature.
Okay.
And as per my experience, I have gone camping with my family
Okay.
and with my friends also, and I
Okay.
really like nature.
Okay, means it is related to your personality and experience also.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. We can listen to you that why did you choose movie?
Sir, I choose movie. As per my experience, I have watched the movie with my family,
Yes.
with my friends. So I really enjoyed that.
Okay.
So this is why I am choosing it. I will go with my session.
Yes.
So everybody will enjoy.
Absolutely right. Fantastic answer. Now, everybody, as you all shared that we all have different experience and different personality, we are going to learn more some like and don't like of your peers. So, for this activity, everybody, you all are going to stand up. Please stand up, everybody. Okay.
Sir.
Now, as you all are standing up everybody, then what you all are going to do, I will be asking some of the questions related to your like. Okay, if your answer will be yes, then you all have to be stand up. If your answer will be no, then you all have to sit down. Is it clear everybody?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir.
if your answer is yes, then what you have to do?
So we have to stand up.
You have to stand up. And if your answer is no, then what you have to do?
We have to sit down.
We have
You
to
have
sit down.
to sit down. Absolutely right. Now, my first question is, do you like cats, everyone? Okay. Now this time we can listen to you. Do you like cat?
No, sir. I don't like cat.
No, you don't like cat. Okay. This time we can listen to you. That do you like cat?
Yes, sir, I like cats.
You like cat? We can take one more response. Do you like cats?
Yes, sir. I like cats.
Yes, you like cats. Very good. Now everybody, my second question is, do you like watching movie?
Yes, sir. I like watching movie.
You don't have to speak like this. You have to just stand up and sit down.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, do you like watching movie? Okay, this time we can listen to you.
Sir, I like horror, watching movies.
Okay, you like watching movies. Great. This time we can listen to you. Do you like watching movie?
No, sir, I don't like movies.
You don't like movies? Okay, now the next question everybody. Do you like to have fast food?
Yes, sir.
Okay everybody, now I am going to call Aman here. Okay, Aman will be coming here and Aman will be asking questions as I am asking related to your like. Is it clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Let's clap for Aman. Okay, now everybody, as I was asking questions, now Aman is here and Aman will be asking questions and you all are going to repeat the activity same. Is it clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Okay, so hello everybody. Do you like traveling?
Do you like traveling?
Do you like traveling?
Yes,
Do you-
Aman, I like traveling.
Yes, I also like traveling.
So, do you like pizza? Why are you sitting in Sneha?
I am sitting because I don't like pizza.
Okay, you don't like pizza. Okay, so do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza, Aman.
Okay.
Can we all please clap for Aman everybody? And thank you so much Aman for coming here.